To track Google Analytics segments. Start by understanding what segments are and how they can help you analyze your website data. Segments are subsets of your website traffic that share common characteristics, such as demographics, behaviors, or traffic sources. First, log into your Google Analytics account and navigate to the reporting view where you want to apply the segment. Click on the plus sign next to the word segments at the top of the page. This will open the segment builder where you can create a new segment. Choose the type of segment you want to create, such as demographic, traffic source, or behavior. For example, you can create a segment for users who are from a specific country, or who have completed a specific action on your website. Once you have chosen the type of segment, use the various options to refine the criteria for the segment. For example, if you are creating a demographic segment, you can choose the country, age, or language of the users. After you have defined the criteria for the segment, click the Apply button to apply the segment to your report. You can then compare the behavior of the users in the segment to the behavior of all users on your website. To track the performance of your segments over time, use the date range selector at the top of the page to choose the time period you want to analyze. You can also use the comparison feature to compare the performance of different segments. Best practices for tracking Google Analytics segments include regularly reviewing and updating your segments to ensure they are still relevant, using multiple segments to get a more complete picture of your website traffic, and using the segment builder to create custom segments that are tailored to your specific business needs. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Google Analytics segments to gain a deeper understanding of your website traffic and make data-driven decisions to improve your marketing and business strategies.